I'll come back to your experience as against the Ebola crisis and what we are witnessing with the COVID-19 pandemic, as in the measures that have been put in place by this government. But Mr. Bani, how has it been so far? Being a member of the COVID-19 team for the NDC and all that you do, especially you're fighting this pandemic from opposition and not within government. How has it been so far?
Well, that's correcting right there. We're not fighting this pandemic from opposition. We are contributing our quota as members of the Ghanaian community.
Sure.
And as the president mentioned in his very first broadcast, he called on all Ghanaians to contribute. Subsequently, former President Mahama also reiterated the fact that he was ready to contribute, and he was going to contribute in several spheres. But before he could do that, he needed an advisory team that could provide the technical advice to him to be able to make informed decisions. And that was why the committee was established. And the composition of the committee is such that it cuts across region, it cuts across levels of competence in health issues. And of course, it brings in experience in health management as well as crisis management as well. Indeed, the government invited the political parties at one point at the Ministry of Information. And in that meeting, the Minister for Information requested us to go out there and contribute to whatever the government was doing, because political parties are the most mobilized group of people in this country today, and that people listen to their political leadership more than anything else. So they asked us to go out there. To be able to do our work effectively, therefore, we needed to be mobilized, we needed to be organized, and we needed to have a plan.
Yeah. And
as you can see, in addition to the words of advice that we're giving to the government, we did it openly. We provided a document to the government. And indeed, we can see that they are coming out with some of the suggestions we made. Secondly, in all crises, there's the humanitarian consequences. And we can see President Mahama today providing humanitarian assistance to the most vulnerable. In the health crisis, the fourth liners are very important. That also informed the president's support through PPEs and other health-related assistance to the frontliners. So you can see that, as I said, this committee and the subsequent activities of the committees are consistent with the call by the political leadership to bring every Ghanaian together and not to look at anybody's step towards contribution as political or religious or ethnic.
Okay.